Filipino, Ilocano. Filipino is the national language of the Philippines and serves as a standardized form of Tagalog, one of the country's major languages. It is based on Tagalog but incorporates elements from various Philippine languages, as well as foreign languages such as Spanish, English, and Chinese, reflecting the archipelago's diverse linguistic and cultural heritage. Filipino is used in government, education, and media, promoting national identity and unity among the Filipino people. As a language, it continues to evolve, adapting to modern influences while maintaining its roots in indigenous traditions. Iloco, or Ilocano, is an Austronesian language primarily spoken in the northern regions of the Philippines, particularly in the Ilocos region, Cagayan Valley, and parts of Central Luzon. It is the third most spoken native language in the Philippines, with millions of speakers. Ilocano belongs to the northern Philippine branch of the Malayo-Polynesian language family and is characterized by its use of agglutination, a rich system of affixes for verbs, and a subject-object-verb or SOV word order. Due to migration, Ilocano-speaking communities can also be found in other parts of the Philippines and abroad, notably in Hawaii and California. It serves as a lingua franca in many parts of northern Luzon. Isa,
Maysa,
dalawa,
dua,
tatlo,
talo,
apat,
upat,
lima,
lima,
anim,
inem,
pito,
pito,
walo,
walo,
siyam,
siyam,
sampu.
sangapulo.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka. Sambahin ang ngalan mo.
Amami nga adat sa dilangit, madaydayaw kuma tinagan mo.
Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo dito sa lupa para nang sa langit.
Dumtang kumati pagarayam, matumpal kuma itinakam mo, dito'y daga akas sa dilangit.
Bigyan mo kami ngayon ng aming kakanin sa araw-araw.
Itdem katakam ti aldaw dito'y, ti kanam miiti patinayon nga aldaw.
At patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala, para nang pagpapatawad namin sa mga nagkakasala sa amin.
Pakawanan met iti basol mi, akas bet pakawanan mi iti basol, dagiti nakabasbasol kada kami.
At huwag mo kaming ipahintulot sa tukso, at iadya mo kami sa lahat ng masama. Amen.
Dinakamot baybayan, nga umanugot ti suliso, ket isalakan nakam ket iti dakes. Amen.